Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 S560 4MATIC. This one is an obsidian black metallic. Underneath the hood is a V8 twin turbo with 463 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. This one has the AMG line with the AMG exterior and interior, 19-inch split 5-spoke AMG wheels, a nut brown black Napa leather interior with a high gloss burl walnut wood trim, panorama sunroof, warmth and comfort package with front and rear heated seats, S560 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, comfort box for extra storage, clean set of floor mats, premium one package with driver's assistance package, lane keep assist, Distronic Plus, Burmeister sound system, memory seats, ambient lighting, illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, a surround view backup camera, navigation, dual climate controls, wireless charging, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, hard keys for the media display, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This S560 has 25,391 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this S-Class, visit us at feldmanimports.com.